सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. Page number 62, verse number 68. सद्वस्त्वधिकवृत्तित्वात् धर्मिव्योम्नस्तु धर्मता धिया सतः पृथक्कारे ब्रूहि व्योमखिमात्मकम्. Vidyaranya, dealing with the topic of the Sat Brahman, that Sat Brahman alone is the reality. The five elements what we are seeing, they are less pervasive. Each element is differently pervasive. Earth is less pervasive than water. That is why we say ocean and the earth itself, water occupies 3/4. Ocean is occupying 3/4 of the earth. Only earth is 1/4. Padosya Vishwa Bhutani. So this earth itself is called, whatever is less pervasive is dharma, whatever is more pervasive is dharmi. Once this earth is less pervasive, water is more pervasive, water becomes the dharmi and earth becomes the dharma. Similarly, if you take Agni, since fire is the cause of water, water is an effect. So water is less pervasive than fire. So water becomes what? Less pervasive dharma. Fire becomes dharmi. It is more pervasive, it is dharmi. Similarly, if you go to Vayu, that air is more pervasive than fire. Therefore, air principle is called dharmi and fire principle is called dharma. Further, if you go to space is more pervasive than air, air is less pervasive than space. Therefore, air is called dharma, property, gunam, adjective. Space becomes the dharmi. Then further you go, Maya is more pervasive than space. Therefore, Maya is dharmi, space is dharma. What about Sat Brahman? So, Maya is the dharma, Brahman Sat is dharmi. Therefore, Brahman, Sat Brahman is more pervasive. Adhika vrittitvat. 67, first line. Satu, sattatvam, sadvastu. Sadvastu means the Sat principle. Vastu means entity in artham. Sadvastu means the existent principle. Adhika vrittitvat, it is more pervasive than all these five elements and Maya, because they are all karyam of that Sat. Karanam must be more pervasive than karyam. What is the logic behind here? In Tangamaniga, if you go, okay, ring is less pervasive, chain is less pervasive, and each element is less pervasive. What is more pervasive? And gold is more pervasive. In Tangamaniga, wherever you see, right side, back side, left side, the whole thing is gold only. But where chain is there, there is no ring. Where ring is there, there is no bangle. Where bangle is there, there is no chain. But gold is everywhere. Therefore what? Gold is more pervasive. Their karyams are less pervasive. Extend this logic. Atma, Sat Brahman is more pervasive and its karyams, products all are less pervasive. Simple logic. Simple logic. Therefore, adhika vrittitvat sadvastu dharmi iti arthaha. Dharmina, substratum, substance. Vyomnaha tu, vyomnaha means the space, whereas the space. Dharmata, it is a product, it is a property. Dharmata, adjective. So, Sadbrahman is the noun, spacey sat. What type of space? Existent space. Space is no more a noun. Space is what? Space is only the noun. Akasha is an adjective. Akasha is an adjective. That is dharmata. Dhiya satah pradhakkare. Suppose you say, separate this satah. Pradhakkare. Akasha, I want to separate from the sat. Satah pradhakkare means by using your intelligence. Dhiya, by using your intelligence, if you take out the sat from Akasha, what will be there? Bruhi vyoma kimatmakam. Tell me the nature of that space. What is that space? Suppose Akasha plus sat. Okay, Akasha plus easiness. Space plus easiness. Existent space. When we say existent is called easiness, space is space. Space is. Suppose Purva Pakshi says, I take out the easiness from the space. My space, let it be there. It is an accommodative principle. Space be there. I take out, I suck this easiness, separate the easiness. Suppose you say, tell me what is there other than Sat. You have to take out the Sat. Sat illamal irukra porul enna irukka mudiyum? Asat. When you take out the Sat, what will be there? Asat. Where Sat is not there, non-existence. Existence I have taken out. What is there? Non-existence. Up your space will become what? Asat. Kimatmakam, what will be the nature of your Sat, this space, if you take out the Sat? That is not possible for at all. Suppose you think like that. Suppose you think like that, I want to take out the Sat. Let my space accommodates. Where is the space to accommodate? That is why when you come to the class, space is and you are asking. Space illiyanu kekrala, space irukanu kekrala. Edavali irukanu kekroma, edavali illiyanu kekroma. Irukanu da kekrom. So அந்த இருக்குங்கிறது இல்லாமல் என்ன ஸ்பேஸ் அகாமடேட் பண்ண முடியும்? Very ingenious presentation. Okay, that is Kim Vyoma Kimatmakam. What will be its nature? Kimatmakam. What is its Swarupam? And the apadipatta space irukuma mudiyuma. That means what? According to Advaiti, space is nothing but a temporary nama given to Sat. Spacey Sat. Goldly bangly gold na. Bangly gold madri spacey Sat. Chainy gold. Ringy gold. Enga ring irukke? Where is ring? Where is chain? Where is bangle other than gold? There is no chain, ring, bangle other than gold. Therefore, what we can say? Chainy gold. Yena chain roopama irukira gold. Ringy gold. Ring roopama irukira gold. Bangly gold. Bangly roopama irukira gold. Correct தானே? என்ன கோல்டு தவிர பேங்கிள் கிடையாது, ரிங்கு கிடையாது, செயின் கிடையாது. அதே மாதிரி ஆகாசம்ங்கிறது கூட ஒரு பேங்கிள், செயின், ரிங்கு மாதிரி. 5 ஆர்னமெண்ட்ஸ் வச்சுக்கோங்க. செயின், பேங்கிள், ரிங்கு, அப்புறம் என்ன பண்ணலாம் இன்னொன்று ஆங்க்லெட்ஸ். ஆங்க்லெட்ஸ் போட்டோம், ஸ்டட்ஸு. ஓகே, 5 கரெக்டாக இருக்கும். 5 எலிமெண்ட்ஸுக்கு 5. All these are 5 ornaments that are nothing but the name given to the Sat existent principle. Existent principle. Are you enjoying? Yeah, so now he is going to reduce that Akasha is mithya actually. Just as a pot is mithya, other than clay there is no pot. Similarly, other than Sat, there is no space at all, really speaking. Next shloka. Further analyze 69 and 70 slokas are very important, very subtle slokas. Akasha mithyatva nischaya. We are going to do now. Avakashatmakam tacchetem असत्तादिति चिन्त्यताम् भिन्नं सतो सच्चनेति वक्षि चेद्व्याहतिस्तव. First line, tat takara is not clear. Tachet. Tachet sattaditi, not sattaditi, asattaditi. Tacheda irukku. Tachet plus asat plus iti. Tached asattaditi. Now, in this shloka, he is going to present, this is very technical shlokas, these are all. But it's very simply I'll present. I'll try to make you to understand. I'll try my best. Today I'm praying to the Lord from morning onwards, yesterday night onwards. How am I going to communicate? My students should understand properly. Very highly technical, very important. Okay. Avakashatmakam tat chet. Now, we are asking the Purvapakshi. Vidyaranya asking the Purvapakshi. You want to take out the Sat from that Akasha. If you take out, I said it is Asat. Avakashatmakam. That whatever he said in the 68, that he is paraphrasing again, that idea. If you take out the Sat from that Akasha, Akasha is Avakashatmakam, you are telling. Na, my space is accommodating. Avakasha pradatru Akasha. And you are telling who? We are asking the Purvapakshi. Vidyaranya asking the Purvapakshi. Oh Purvapakshi, if you take out the Sat and say that Akasha is Avakashatmakam, accommodative, Tat Akasha. Tat means Akasha. Avakashatmakam, accommodative, accommodating nature. In the 68th he has asked, Kim Atmakam Vyomnahan. What will be the nature of your space? He asked. Now what is his answer? Avakashatmakam. Kimatmakam. Vidyaranya asked the question. Purvapakshi says, Avakashatmakam. Enna Avakashatmakam? Satti illada or Avakashatmakam. Satti has taken out. Avanu think pandra. Sat I am taking out and Avakashatmakam anna. Avakashatmakam tad iti chet. Suppose you say that Akasha is Avakashatmaka. Suppose you say so. As the first Purvapakshi. Avakashatmakam tat. That is the Purvapakshi's answer. supposing answer. Vidyaranya asked the question in the 68th last portion. Kimatmakam Yomnaha. That is a question asked by Vidyaranya. Now Purvapakshi's answer is Avakashatmakam Tat. His answer. நீங்கள் கரெக்டாக எழுதி போட்டுக்கணும். இல்லைன்னா நீங்கள் அப்புறம் நீங்கள் 10 வருஷத்துக்கு கழிச்சு நோட்ஸ் திறந்தால் உனக்கு உண்மை புரியாது. That's why I am telling very slowly, because I am struggling to communicate this. I have referred nearly 8 books. How to easily communicate? I felt so many difficulties. The way even printed books also, they don't explain all these things. யாரு பூர்வபக்ஷி யாரு சித்தாந்தி எல்லாம் சொல்ல மாட்டான். அவன் பாட்டுக்கு அவன் டிரான்ஸ்லேட் பண்ணிட்டே போகிறான். The difficulty what I faced, you should not face. That is why I want to say who is Purvapakshi, who is Siddhanta. Kimatmakam Yomnaha Vidyaranya question. Then Purvapakshi's answer, Sadat Avakashatmakam Tat. That Akasha is Avakashatmakam, is my definition of that Akasha. Chet, if you say so. Then Vidyaranya asking, Asat-taditi chintyatam. That is the Vidyaranya's answer. That is Asat. And then you have taken the Sat. Other than Sat, what will be there in that space? Asat. So, non-existent space accommodates. Everybody. Asat iti. I am telling, I am considering, I am coming to conclusion that is Asat. Because you have taken the Sat. So you don't want to say Sat. Space is accommodative and you want to take it space individually, independently. அது இம்பாசிபிள் நான் சொல்கிறேன். நீ சொல்கிறேன் இல்லை இல்லை நான் சத்து எடுத்துட்டே நான் ஆகாசம் வச்சுக்கிறேன் அவகாசாத்மகம்னு நீ சொன்னால் நான் என்ன சொல்கிறேன்னா சத்து இல்லாத ஒரு இடம் இருந்தால் அது என்ன ஆகலாம்? அசத். அப்போ யுவர் ஆகாஷ இஸ் அசத்து இதி சிந்தியதாம். மே யூ திங்க், மே யூ நோட் இட். அசத்ததிதி சிந்ததாம். சிந்தியதாம் மீன்ஸ் மே யூ note it. May you note this point. Your honor சொல்கிறோம் இல்லையா? Your honor please note. ஜட்ஜுக்கு சொல்லுவா இந்த lawyer when he is asking the question, who is standing that witnesser, when he gives a nice point, what this lawyer says, your honor please note சொல்லுவான். This is the evidence for me. பார்த்தாடும் எப்படா கோர்ட்டு சீனு சீரியலாவது பார்த்தாடும். கோர்ட்டு வரைக்கும் எதுக்கு சுவாமி, நம்ம வீடே ஒரு கோர்ட். வீட்டிலையே சண்டை நடக்கிறது, கோர்ட்டு லாயர் எல்லாம் இருக்க. அது மாதிரி வித்யாரண்யா சேஸ் யுவர் ஆனர் ப்ளீஸ் நோட்னா, மே யூ நோட் திஸ் பாயிண்ட். அசத் இதி சிந்தியதாம். யுவர் ஸ்பேஸ் வில் கம் அண்டர் த கேட்டகரி ஆஃப் அசத், non-existent space. Can non-existent space accommodates anywhere? How brilliant, no, Vidyaranya. So therefore, Akasha, it is like saying, commentators gives examples. My non-existent space accommodates and சொன்னா எப்படி தெரியுமோ, என்னோட அப்பா பிரம்மச்சாரி அந்த மாதிரி. My father is a brahmachari bachelor. My father is bachelor, and how your father can be bachelor? How your father can be bachelor when you are there? When you are there, how can you be your father bachelor? My mother is Vandhya. How your mother can be Vandhya, barren woman? How your mother can be a barren woman? How your father can be a bachelor? அப்படி இருக்க நீங்கள் பேசுறதுன்னு சொல்கிறார் வித்யாரண்யர். யூ ஆர் டாக்கிங் லைக் தட். தேர்ஃபோர் மை ஸ்பேஸ் இஸ் அகாமடேட்டிங். ஈஸ்ன்னு சொன்னியே அங்கேயே சத்தாகிறது. நீ சத்து எடுக்க முடியாத சொல்ல, எடுத்தால் அது அசத்தாயிடும். அசத்தான அது அகாமடேட் பண்ண முடியாது. கரெக்ட்? கிளியர்? ஃபர்ஸ்ட் லைன் ஓவர். நவ் கம் டு த செகண்ட் லைன். ஃபர்தர் he says, second line, to avoid this problem, suppose அங்கே ஜட்ஜி வந்து நோட் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காரு, அதனால ப்ராப்ளம் எனக்கு. டு அவாய்ட் திஸ் ப்ராப்ளம், சப்போஸ் எதி Yad asad bhasamanam tan mithya swapna gajadivat. Suppose to avoid this problem. Sorry. 69. No? I am going little further. Okay. அதான் பார்த்தா என்னமோ டிஃபரெண்ட்டாக இருக்கு. பின்னம் சதஹா அசத் ந இதி. To avoid this problem, suppose you say my space is different from sat and asat. நீ சத்துன்னு சொல்ல மாட்டிய, சத்து எடுத்துட்டேன். It different from sat. பின்னம் sat. Space is பின்னம். Sataha பின்னம். That's first line. Second line la first word. Bhinnam sataha. What? Space. Space is different from sat. Sataha in the sixth case. Sataha bhinnam akashaha. Suppose you say. Not only that. Asatu abhi na. Because we said your space will become asat. அப்படி அவன் என்ன சொல்லுவான்? அசத்தும் இல்லைன்னா. என்ன சத்துன்னு ஒத்துக்க மாட்டான், சத்து எடுக்கிறேன்னு சொல்கிறான். நீங்கள் சத்து எடுத்துட்டா நான் அசத்துன்னு சொல்லுவேன், அதனால அசத்தும் இல்லைன்னா. அப்போ என்ன ஆகும்? இட் இஸ் நெய்தர் சத் நார் அசத்துன்னா சதசத். சத்துமும் இல்லை, அசத்து இல்லை. சத்து அசத்து இல்லாமல் இருக்கிறது என்ன ஆகுமோ? சதசத் விலக்ஷணம். அப்படி சொன்னால் என்ன ஆகும் தெரியுமோ? சதஹா பின்னம்னா இட் இஸ் டிஃபரெண்ட் ஃப்ரம் எக்ஸிஸ்டன்ஸ். Space is different from existence. If it is different from existence, we are telling it is asat. No. Asat na. Space is not non-existent. Space is neither existent principle nor non-existent principle. Iti vakshichet. If you say so. If you say vakshiyana, if you say like that. Chetana, if you say so. Who is asking? Vidyaranya asking the Purvapakshi. You note பண்ணிக்கோங்க ப்ராப்பரா. பின்னம் சதஹா அசது ந இதி வக்ஷி சேத். Suppose you say my space is Purvapakshi. Suppose you, the Purvapakshi, says space is different from existence. Space is different from non-existence. If you say so, what will happen? Vyahatihi tava. Vyahati means you are contradicting your own words. Vyahatihi tava. Tava means yours. Yours statement is contradictory. Vyahatihi means nee onnu this is not, a concept is not there in your philosophy. According to Purvapakshi, sadasad vilakshanam mithya he never accepts. Oh Purvapakshi, sadasad vilakshanam is my concept appa, advaiti concept, and this mithya concept. Nee appadi sonna enna aidumanna, you are deviating from your own philosophy. You are talking opposite to your own philosophy. Vyahatihi tad. Tava vyahatihi means your own philosophy ki you are objecting. That means unga philosophy ki neenga solra statement ki sambandham illai. So sadasad vilakshanam maya mithya, we are only telling advaiti. Adi unga philosophy ku ottukade, nee adu eppadi solla mudiyum? சத்து இல்லைன்னு சொன்னால் நான் உங்கள் ஸ்பேஸ் அசத்தாயிடும்னு சொல்லுவேன். அப்போ நீ அசத்துன்னு ஒத்துக்க மாட்டேன், அது சத்து இல்லை அசத்து இல்லைன்னு சொன்னால் அது என்னுடைய ஃபிலாசபி. தட் இஸ் மை ஃபிலாசபி. ஹூ சேஸ்? வித்யாரண்யா சேஸ். மை ஃபிலாசபி என்ன? அத்வைத்தி ஃபிலாசபி. அத்வைத்தி சேஸ் every object in the world is sadasad vilakshanam mithya. Mithya. That is my philosophy. Therefore, you cannot claim that because it is contradictory to your concept. Therefore, in your philosophy, it is a contradiction because you do not have such a concept. That is Sat Asad Vilakshanam concept you don't have. Therefore, you have no right to claim. If you claim, you are talking against your own philosophy. Therefore, this is called attacking the opposition party. You have to attack properly. You have to understand the opposition parties on a standpoint. You have to understand, and you have to attack their loopholes. All weak points you have to attack. If Sonia Gandhi's son-in-law is attacked, Sonia Gandhi's son-in-law is attacked by all opposition parties. They are all waiting for elections. Somehow he has attacked by all these people. How long you can cheat people? No? How long you can cheat people? Therefore, Visishtadvaiti or Dvaiti, all other philosophers, you people cannot establish this world is real. That is the main point. The world is real for Visishtadvaiti. As Brahman is real, world is real. As Brahman is real, Maya is real for them. So how can Advaitam Brahma can be established? Brahma Satyam, Jagan Mithya nama establish pandanam. Jagan Mithya Mithya na irukkenna. Irindi pogatame appa. Adi lower order of reality and solrar. So Mithyatva nischayam panniyach. Next shloka. Suppose he asks, world is sadasad vilakshanam mithya. We say, bhati, it is appearing. If you say so, now 70th sloka. Bhati ti ched bhatu nama bhushanam mayikasya tat yat sadbhasamanam tat Mithya swapna gajadivat. See, until now what we have understood, sadasad vilakshanam, sannapya bhayatmikano, bhinnapya bhayatmikano, sangapya bhayatmikano, mahadbhuta anirvachaniya rupa maya. Viveka Chodamanila, Shankaracharya says. So until today we are holding to one classification of Maya, definition of Maya. What is that Maya? Previous classes we saw Maya is neither Sat nor Asat. It is different from Sat, it is different from Asat. It is neither existent nor non-existent. Then what category it must be in? It is a Mithya category. Whatever is different from Sat and Asat, it is Sat Asad Vilakshanam Maya Mithya. This is our definition of Maya. Now Vidyaranya says that definition what we said, Bhati iti chet, because of that world which is Bhati, which is appearing. Bhati means appearing. Iti, suppose you say, see, world is appearing. How can you say it is mithya? Bhati iti chet. Fire is appearing, air I am feeling, space accommodating, I can experience. Water I experience from yesterday morning onwards, heavy pouring water. How you can say water is mithya? How many students missed today to your class also? If it is mithya, they should come to the class now. How can you say Navaratri Kolu is mithya? Yesterday also many students are also absent. How can you say Navaratri Kolu is mithya? Rain is mithya? If it is mithya, students should come to your class. Therefore it is satyam. Many students have not come to your class today because of heavy rain, because of wind. That itself proves what? It is satyam. Avar sollala, naan solra chumma. Correct dane? Navaratri Kolu is satyam. Therefore we don't want to attend Panchadasi class. You are telling mithya. Therefore we want to say for one day Panchadasi is mithya, Navaratri Kolu is satyam. Ani veetlo ukkandirukka. Bhagavad Gita class is mithya, Navaratri Kolu is satyam అని వీటిలో ఉక్కాడిందిరక. అప్పుడిపట్ట పీపుల్ని పోయి నీది మిథ్య అని சொல்லலாமா? See, my party is in majority. My party is in majority. Your party is for எல்லாம் காலியாக இருக்க சேர்ஸ் எல்லாமே. நிறைய பேர் கிளாஸுக்கே வரல. தேர்ஃபோர் யுவர் அத்வைத பொய்யன்னு அவங்களே ப்ரூவ் பண்ணுறான். ஆமாம், இட் இஸ் ப்ரூவிங். இன்டைரக்ட்லி தே ஆர் voting for Dvaitins. சும்மா சொல்கிறேன், ஜோக்கிங், ஐ எம் ஜோக்கிங். I want to enjoy, So they are indirectly voting for Dvaitins. They are indirectly telling Advaitam is mithya. If they don't miss the class, they miss the class, அதுதான் அர்த்தம். இன்டைரக்ட்லி வெளியில் சொல்லாமல், கூறாமல் கூறி, கூறாமல் கூறி என்ன அர்த்தம் புரியறதா? Come to the topic now. Okay, suppose you say now, if it is appearing, bhati iti, it is appearing, world is appearing. If you say so, bhati iti chet bhatu nama, Vidyaranya answer, bhatu nama, let it appear. Bhatu nama, let it appear. What is there? Bhushanam mayikasya tat. That appearance is an ornament, alankaram to Maya. Vidyaranya says, Purvapakshi says, how can you say the world is mithya? Akasha is mithya, Vayu is mithya, fire is mithya, water is mithya, unreal. If you say unreal, na vyavaharically real, I say paramarthically unreal. From higher order of reality, from Brahman standpoint, it is unreal. I say vyavaharically real. I have drenched in the water, எனக்கு தெரியும். In dream waterல dream rainல drench ஆகுமா ஆகாதா? ஆகுமா இல்லையோ? Dream water quench your thirst or not? Dream food can appease your hunger or not? Appease. After waking, no food, no water, no hunger, no thirst. But dream food is useful in dream. Similarly, waking world, rain is useful to get food, cultivation. No water problem will be there. What? By getting rain. Rain, waking world, rain, 24 hours, rain is useful for avoiding water problem. Clear? I never said it is useless. Vyavaharically it is real. What I am telling, paramarthically it is unreal. Priyarada. Therefore, Bhatu Nama, let it appear. What? Mother-in-law appear, father-in-law appear, problems appear, let them appear. It is Bhushanam, Mayikasya tat. This is the ornament, Bhushanam, Alankaram for Maya. What heavy pouring rain, Bhushanam for Maya. That is wonderful rain, we are all enjoying. Now while I coming, I saw a big root tree, big huge tree, uprooted. Adi uproot pannanumanna, we have to take bulldozers. And the bulldozers எடுத்துட்டு போய் கஷ்டப்பட்டுட்டு ஒரு 3 days ஆகும் அந்த ட்ரீனை uproot பண்றதுக்கு. பட் இந்த ரெயின் மாயா என்ன பண்ணிட்டா தெரியுமோ, நைட்டுக்கு நைட்டு 1 ஹவருக்குள்ள அப்படியே ஃப்ளாட் ட்ரீ அந்த சிபி ராமசுவாமி ரோட்டில் வேணுமான்னு போய் பாருங்க, ஹியூஜ் ட்ரீ அப்ரூட்டட், அப்படியே ஹோல் ட்ரீ. மேபி இட் மேபி ஹண்ட்ரட்ஸ், மோர் தேன் 200 years ட்ரீ எகோ. It is uprooted. No one can do that. It is the bhushanam of Maya. Everybody looking at that tree. Tomorrow it will come in the paper, you see. Who does that? Maya. It is bhushanam, alankara. Aha, eppadi nadandadna Maya. Happenable, unhappenable can be happenable. In the Maya, aghatita ghatana patiyasi Maya. Aghatitamana, which cannot be happened. Ghatanamana, which can be happened, which will happen. Ghatanamanna happenable, aghatanamanna unhappenable. Aghatita unhappenable, ghatita happenable. Maya, agatita ghatana, patiyasya. Maya is capable of making the unhappenable happenable. In English, unhappenable happenable. Nadakkaada kaaryangoda nadakka mudiyum Maya kaila. And solraru. Mayikasya tat bhushanam. That pratiyamanam sarvam jagat asadeva. It is asad only. Actually, now he is going to take sadasad vilakshanam. People are not able to understand. Sadasad vilakshanam kuda pre-martinga nariya perike. Avar enna solranna, in the sadasad vilakshanam classification I keep it aside. I will abolish for temporarily. Vidyaranya. Is sadasad vilakshanam also I am going to abolish temporarily, because it is conventional classification of Maya definition. That is, sadasad vilakshanam, it is neither existent nor non-existent. But you talk in front of people, this is mithya. People are very, very firm on their own ideas. How can you say it is mithya? Vidyaranya says, unakku adu puriyadu. Na innu konja high step ku poren. Enna theriyumo? Sadasad vilakshanam kuda venda, vidu. I abolish it. Then what? It is asat. It is unreal. I am going to take that standpoint. Dhatu nama mayasya tat. Let it appear, it is Maya, sadasad vilakshana, நீங்க ஒத்துக்கல. நான் என்ன பண்ண போறேன் தெரியுமா? அந்த வெட்டிட்டு இன்னொரு கிளாசிஃபிகேஷன் பண்ண போறேன். என்ன தெரியுமா? அசத்துல 2 types. Asat is of 2 types. One is appearing asat, another is non-appearing asat. It's a very unique presentation of Vidyaranya. We have never seen until today. In 13 years of my teaching, this is the greatness of Vidyaranya. I am going to take, there are 2 types of asat. This is a new definition of mithya. He is going to give now. What? One type of asat is appearing asat. Another type of asat is non-appearing asat. Purapashi enna keta, see, like a rabbit horn, it is not there asatanna, tuchcha atasu, I can accept. Muyil kombu, illai. Now, uttagre, Purapashi says, rabbit horn, illai, asat. Now, uttagre, Purapashi says, I am happily ready to accept. My rabbit horn doesn't exist. It is tuchcha asat, non-existent. But bhati, the world is appearing, therefore I cannot accept. Then Vidyaranya says, this is also asat, like a rabbit horn. A rabbit horn is one type of asat, this world is another type of asat. Enna? A rabbit horn is non-appearing asat. Rabbit horn, muyil kombu is a non-appearing asat. Human horn also. Are we having new human horns? Non-appearing asat. Non-appearing non-existence. Non-appearing non-existence. Muyil kombu kadiyadu. Manindar kombu kadiyadu. அதனால இல்லாதது தெரியாதது கண்ணுக்கு தெரியாதது ஒரு அசத்துன்னு சொல்லிடலாம். இது ஒரு டைப் ஆஃப் அசத்தப்பா. இன்னொரு அசத் இருக்க உனக்கு தெரியாத பாசமான அசத், அப்பியரிங் அசத், அபாசமான அசத், பாசமான அசத். 2 types of. Don't look into the slokas translation. You will miss the whole teaching, I will tell you. You don't get anything tail or head. Listen to my words only. Okay. Bhasamanam asat, abhasamanam asat. Bhasamanam asat means appearing unreality, or appearing but it is non-existent. Abhasamanam sat means non-existent, therefore it is not appearing. 2 types of asat. Why not? We have two types of asat. And what he says here, yat sat bhasamanam tat mithya. This is bhasamanam sat asat. Yat asat bhasamanam. Yadasat irukku. Yadasat bhasamanam. Yat plus asat plus bhasamanam. Yadasat bhasamanam. இந்த 2 ஸ்லோகா சொல்லி கொடுத்தா அவ்வளோதான். இருக்கிறமா வேண்டாமான்னு டிசைட் ஆகிடும். எது அசத் பாசமானம், பாசமானம் அசத்து, அது நான் மித்யான்னு சொல்கிறேன். ரேபிட் ஹார்ன் நான் மித்யான்னு கூப்பிடவே இல்லை. அது அசத்து, துச்ச அசத்து. ஓகே, துச்ச அசத்தை நான் டோட்டலி நான் எக்ஸிஸ்டண்ட்டுக்கு நான் மித்யான்னு சொல்லலை. என்னோட சத் பிரம்மன் இருக்குது, அது மித்யா இல்லை. ஸோ இப்போ 3 கிளாசிஃபிகேஷன்ஸ் நான். சத்து, பாசமானம் அசத்து, அபாசமானம் அசத்து, 3 கேட்டகரி பண்ணிட்டான். புரியுறதா? என்னோட சத் பிரம்மன் எப்பவுமே இருக்கார், அவர் அது இருக்கட்டும். அப்படி இந்த உலகம் இருக்கு இல்லையோ, இந்த வேர்ல்டு பாசமானம் அசத்து, அதுதான் மித்யான்னு சொல்கிறேன். Rain appearing from yesterday morning or day before yesterday night onwards appearing. Bhasamanam appearing. Aanalum asat. Asat means less order of reality. Less real than Brahman. Less real than Brahman. Whatever appears will disappear. Rain disappear or not? Rain disappear? Disappear. Whatever appears will disappear. Whatever appears will disappear is called mithya. Shariram appears, then disappears. Therefore, mithya. புரியுறதா? எது தெரிகிறதோ அப்புறம் தெரியாமல் போகிறதோ அதுதான் மித்யாப்பா. அசல்ல தெரியாமல் இருக்கிறது மித்யன்னு நான் சொல்லலை. எப்பவுமே இருக்கிறதே மித்யா ஆக முடியாது. தெரிகிற மாதிரி இருக்கிறது ஆனாலும் நிஜமாக இல்லைன்னது தான் மித்யா. அதுதான் எது அசத் எது அசத்து பாசமானம் தத்து மித்யா. லைக் வாட்? ஸ்வப்ன கஜாதிவத். Yesterday I saw the elephant in my dream. Swapna and a dream. இந்த வார்த்தை புரியுறதோ? yat, that which is asat. What type of asat? Bhasamanam asat. Bhasamanam means whatever is appearing. Whatever is appearing is bhasamanam asat, not sat. Yenna sat is not visible. Easiness is not visible. Whatever is visible is asat. Therefore bhasamanam asat. இப்படி தொட்டுக்கணும். எல்லாமே பொய் பொய்யணும். இது என்னடா? இது பாசமானம் or not? Body is appearing or not? Appearing. Therefore asat. Swapna gajadivat. Like your dream elephant. Yesterday you saw a big huge dream, a huge elephant in the dream. என்ன எப்படி எலிஃபெண்ட்னா குருவாயூரப்பன் டெம்பிளில் இருக்கிற எலிஃபெண்ட்டு, இல்லைன்னா ஆஸ்திரேலியன் எலிஃபெண்ட்டு, ஹியூஜ் white tusked elephant you saw in the dream in the night. Huge elephant. I saw a huge elephant once in Anikatti. If you would see means you will fall down. Avvala huge. It came into our ashram one day. All ashramates fully we want to see that elephant. Night da varum adu. Adu vandadana you are out. Avladha. You cannot, it will make you to pieces. White tusked big huge elephant, you have to look like this. By standing itself you have to, and the roof ko and the height irukadu. There's no human being can catch that elephant. And from far they have to inject that anesthesia they have to give and they have to catch. No one can go near. Such a huge elephant you saw in your dream. Is it real? Swapna gajam pathad appeared. Therefore whatever appears you cannot prove it is real. Appearance is not the criteria for establishing the reality. Mandukya Visa. Appearance is not the criterion for the establishment of the truth. Sunrise appears. Is it real? Sunrise is real? There is no sunrise, really speaking. Earth is moving. There is no sunrise. It appears, but it is not real. Therefore, Swapna, you are seeing so many things. Are they real? No. In waking also, you are seeing so many things. Sunrise you are seeing. Flat earth you are feeling. Earth is round. You are flat earth you are feeling. It is appearing to you as flat. Is it flat or round? Round. Earth is stationary is your experience. Is it moving or non-moving? Moving, violently moving. Therefore, all your experiences can be false. Why not this experience? Therefore, Swapna Gajadivat Mithya. Since you are in Ajnanam, that appears as real to you. Then Vidyaranya says, I cannot put. Then what is about your rope snake? He is asking. Your rope snake, just for a Purapakshi can ask, no? Tell me, your explanation is very nice. Your students are nicely smiling, but you cannot escape from me. And the Purapakshi is asking. And you are nicely, happily teaching to your students, and students are nodding your head. They do not know how to ask the questions. I am standing here, come on, answer me. Tell me, your rope snake, you are holding on to that rope snake, no? Under what category it comes? Your rope snake. He is asking us. Rope snake comes under a Sat category or Asat category, Sadasat category. I want to know, he is asking. Until now, we have established what Bhasamanam Asat appears. Abhasamanam Asat won't appear. Therefore, Mithya is that. This is second type of definition, classification given by Vidyaranya now. Unique presentation. Asat, whole world is Asat. Whatever is Bhasamanam Asat is Mithya. Sadasat Vilakshanam is Mithya nu sonnam appo. Ippo innor definition solren. Bhasamanam Asat is Mithya nu solren. Bhasamanam Asat is Mithya nu solren. Your rope snake come under what category? And how? Now, what is your rope snake? Suppose Advaita is rope snake. How you explain? You put into Sat category or Asat category. Now, Sadasad Vilakshanam we have abolished temporarily. He is asking us, Sadasad Vilakshanam we vitted. Ippo Sadasad Vilakshanam vittida namak enna irukku baki? Sattu Asat. Ippo in the rope snake vande Satta Asatta. In the rope snake vande Satta Asatta. And chollanu kekra. Bhasamanam Asat. All of that. It is Mithya, it is Bhasamanam Asat. Appearing, unreal appearance. Bhasamanam, appearing, but Asat. That is our answer. Therefore, every snake is Sat, Asat Vilakshanam. Also, that we have abolished. It is Sadasad Vilakshanam, first old days. Old definition. இப்போ என்ன சொல்றோம்? பாசமானம் அசத். பாம்பு மாதிரி இருக்கா இல்லையா? Appearing? பாம்பு மாதிரி? Appearing. Is it real? What type of unreality it is? Bhasamanam asat. Bhasamanam asat is called mithya. For my rope snake comes under what category? Bhasamanam asat. Snake is, when I say easiness belong to the rope, that easiness is borrowed from the rope. That easiness, snake is in Chollambod, and the easiness borrowed from where? From the rope. Snake is, when I say that easiness, snake has borrowed from where? ரோப். அந்த ரோப்பு தான் ஸ்னேக்காக தெரியறது. அதே மாதிரி ஸ்பேஸ் is when you say the space borrowed easiness from Brahman. There is no space without easiness. Okay, so in the past there was no snake. Okay, in the past there was no snake. In the present also there is no snake. In future there will be no snake. When in the dim light you saw the rope as snake, dim light. When you saw the snake upon the rope, before seeing that snake upon the rope, do you have that snake appearance? So there was no snake. Suddenly you want to go to bathroom, you went that side, you saw suddenly a snake. That rope is appearing as a snake for you. Before going to that bathroom side, there was a snake in your mind? No. That means there was no snake in the past. When you go near the bathroom, there is a snake. Once you put the light, there is no snake. That means what? There was no snake before going near the bathroom. When you go near the bathroom, you saw the snake which is not there. So snake is not there. Snake was not there. Snake is not there. When you put light, there will be no snake at all. Now tell me, எப்போ இருந்தது snake? எந்த காலம்ல இருந்துக்க snake? Past tenseல இருக்கா, present tenseல இருக்கா, future tenseல இருக்க போறதான்னா? த்ரிகாலே அபி அசத். நீங்கள் இந்த ரோப்பு பார்க்கும்போது, ஸ்னேக்கு பார்க்கும்போது ரொம்ப உள்டாயிடுச்சு. ஸ்னேக்கு பார்க்கும்போது ஸ்னேக் இருக்கா இங்கே? ஸ்னேக்கு பார்க்கும்போது என்னென்னா, ரோப்பு பார்த்துட்டே சடனாக ஸ்னேக்கை நினச்சல நினைக்கும். சடனாக ஸ்னேக்கை நினைக்கும் போதும் கூட ஸ்னேக் இருக்கா இங்கே? கிடையாது. அதே மாதிரி சடனாக அக்ஞானிஸ் லுக் எட் த வேர்ல்ட், வேர்ல்ட் இஸ் தேர். There was no world, there is no world, there will be no world. எப்போ இருந்தது உலகம்? ஒரு நாள் இருந்ததானே இருக்கிறது சொல்கிறதுக்கு என்ன? பாம்பு was not there, பாம்பு is not there, பாம்பு will not be there. அதே மாதிரி தான். தென் வாட் அப்பா இந்த பாம்பு? ஒன்றுமே இல்லை. இந்த பாம்பு வந்து it has borrowed the existence from my rope. This snake borrowed its existence. Snake is நீங்க present tenseல சொல்லும் போது சடனா அந்த பாம்பு இருக்காங்கிறது எங்கிருந்து, அந்த இருக்காங்கிறத borrowed from where? That snake. அந்த இருக்காங்கிற தன்மை எங்கிருந்து snake borrowed? இல்லாத ஸ்னேக் எங்கிருந்து borrowed? ரோப்லேருந்து borrowed. அது ஆகாசம் இருக்கா, ஜலம் இருக்கா, உலகம் இருக்கா, சரீரம் இருக்கா, ஹஸ்பண்ட் இருக்கா, ஒய்ஃப் இருக்கான்னு கூட அந்த இருக்காங்கிறது எங்கிருந்து borrow பண்ணா தெரியுமா? சத் பிரம்மன். சத் பிரம்மன் தான். வேற என்ன இருக்கு? Don't talk in the middle. Write down, afterwards you can ask. So this appearance bhasamanam asat is mithya. Because it is asat. Snake is asat. Rope is satyam there. Whatever is appearing upon which, that upon which whatever is appearing is sat. Whatever is appearing is mithya. Similarly, the whole world is appearing is mithya. Upon which it is appearing is satyam. What is that satyam? Upon what it is appearing? Brahman. It is appearing upon Brahman. Without Brahman, world cannot appear. Therefore, how to understand? And if he is breaking his head, how to understand this bhasamanam asat? Next shloka he says, jati vikti dehi deham gunadravye yatha prithak viyat satos tathaivastu पार्थक्यं कोत्र विस्मयः Now, Vidyaranya further clarifies. The listener, once he listens, he raises a question. If you say snake is asat, snake is non-existent. Non-existent, a non-existent thing should not appear. A non-existent thing should not appear like a rabbit horn. Nama channam asat chet na pratiyeta, sat chet na badhyeta. If it is really appearing, it cannot be negated. If it is really existent, it cannot be negated. If it is appearing, it cannot be negated. So what can be negated? Whatever is not real, as though appearing, can be negated. Marriage water can be negated, rope snake can be negated, pot can be negated. When they are not there, but really they are not there, they are appearing. And the samayalla it can be negated. So, abhasamanam sat, abhasamanam asat need not be negated. Okay. Abhasamanam, rabbit horn, need not be negated. Sat, that which always exists, cannot be negated. What can be negated, Anna? That which is bhasamanam asat can be negated. Mithya can be negated. For that he gives an example. Jati, Vyakti, Dehi, Deha, Guna, Dravya. 3 examples he is taking. For example, you see how to make this distinction. How to make this distinction? Vemma kashtama irukena. Simple, I will tell you. Vidyaranya says, I give a logic. When I see a human being, Jati, Vyakti, Manushya Jati is a generality, species. Now we are all belong to what? Human species. We are all belong to human species. This human species, all of us, when you see one person, you understand human being. Human being. It is called Vyakti. Whole humanity, Manushya Jati, is called Jati. Okay, Pakshi Jati, Vriksha Jati, Jantu Jati, Kitaka Jati, Manushya Jati. Generality. But when I see a person immediately, one person, I am seeing Vyakti, individual. Along this Vyakti, I am understanding another thing also. She belongs to one species, that is human species. She does not belong to the creatures. She does not belong to plants kingdom. She does not belong to animal kingdom. She does not belong to birds kingdom. She belongs to only human species. So as I am seeing the Vyakti, to Vyakti nu paathindirke, and the Jati kuda theriyardu ulla. And when I see her, she looks like a Pakshi Jati or Manushya Jati? Manushya Jati. When I see this flower, it looks like Pakshi Jati, Pushpa Jati or Manushya Jati. As you are seeing the Pushpa, you are negating other species or not. This is not insect. This is not an animal. This is not a human being. This flower is not a human being. This is not belong to any other species. This belong to a flower Jati. Pushpa Jati. Belongs to Pushpa Jati. So as you are seeing this, you are knowing 2 things. What? Pushpam, that is Vyakti, individual flower. And Pushpa Jati. Everyone gets this knowledge. Yes? Everyone gets this. When you see me also, Manushyaha, Manushya Jati. Can you separate? They are inseparable. Even though they are inseparable, you can understand or not? You can understand. Even though they are inseparable. Similarly, Guna. This whiteness and flower. Flower is Dravyam. Whiteness is Guna. Guna Dravyayoho. Is it, when you see the flower immediately, the whiteness, its property, guna, can you understand or not? Can you separate it or not? Physically you cannot separate it. It is inseparable. Still you can understand this is pushpa jati. Pushpam vyakti. Pushpa jati. Whiteness is guna. Dravyam is what? Pushpam. Substance is pushpam. Whiteness is guna. So can whiteness stand separately without flower? Tell me. No. Guna, dravya are inseparable. It is called samavaya sambandham. But anal you can understand both at a time. At a time you can understand or not? You can understand. What? This is flower, you understand. This is flower jati, you understand. White is the color, flower is dravyam, whiteness is guna. You understand or not? Na rendu pirichu kaamikkanuma enna? Idella whiteness gunam paarungo thaniya, idu flower paarungo nu thariya sollanuma enna? Hey, this is whiteness is what? Property. Flower is what? Flower is substance. Dravyam. Theriyadillo. Adhe madri deha, dehi. This deha, body, dehi is the one. Deha, this person, yajamana, who is doing ritual. All rituals he is performing. With what intention? This dehi will travel to Swarga tomorrow. Dehi, who is in this body, Jiva, will travel Swarga somewhere, he goes to higher lokas. Purinchikriya illaya? Dehi and Deha. Deha is generality and the Jivatvam inside is Dehi.